If you are wondering if we have a dedicated memory card slot on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer is unfortunately no. The SIM tray does not include the microSD card slot. In fact, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to insert it. Unfortunately, there is simply no way to put it into the SIM tray and use it with the Galaxy A57. So if you want to use the microSD card, then in this case you want to use an additional accessory such as the memory card reader, where you can insert the memory card, of course, and then with the USB-C cable you can connect it to the phone and then you can access the storage. Of course, this is not an ideal solution because no one really wants to walk around with additional accessory connected to the phone in order to access the microSD card, of course. But in cases where you want to access the storage, at least temporarily, or maybe you want to transfer files, and then of course this can work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.